Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a small story with you. This story is about a man who went to bank to withdraw some money. Cashier gave him money. The customer put the money into his bag silently and left from there. He withdrew 1,40,000 rupees. Instead of 1,40,000 rupees, the cashier gave him 1,60,000 rupees by mistake. And the customer had noticed that. But he tried to show that he had not counted the money and he trusted the honesty of cashier. He put the money into his bag. Having kept the money in the bag, he started worrying about extra 20,000 rupees. He thought to return the money for once. But the next moment he thought, when I gave someone extra money by mistake, nobody returns me that money. He thought again and again to return the money. But every time he gave himself some excuses not to return the money. A human being has not only heart and mind, but also conscience representing the God. His conscience was reviling him again and again. You are making the most of somebody's mistake, and moreover, you are pretending to be honest. Is this your honesty? His restlessness was increasing. He took 20,000 rupees out of his bag and he went back to the bank. His restlessness and stress started decreasing. He started feeling light and healthy. Even though he was not ill, but he felt as if he got recovered from an illness. He had a smile on his face as if he won a war. Having got his money back, the cashier took a sigh of relief. He took out a 1,000 rupee note from his pocket and said to the customer, "Brother, I am very grateful to you. Today buy sweets for children on behalf of me. Please don't deny." Customer said, "Brother, I am also grateful to you and I will buy you sweets myself." The cashier asked, "Brother, why are you expressing so much gratitude? And why are you buying me sweets?" Customer replied, "Because of 20,000 rupees I got an opportunity of self-analysis. If you had not done this mistake, then neither I would have been in this dilemma nor I would have controlled my greed. It was so difficult. I was able to win after hours of conflict. I am thankful to you for this opportunity." There is a big difference between being honest and pretending to be honest. Our conscience shows us good and bad forms for everything, but due to little greed, we disregard it. And we keep repenting our whole life. Remember, we don't get any reward for honesty. Honesty itself is a God-gifted award.